Okay, can I just say this arm was shaking so much during the process of the thumbnail. My hand hurt so bad. Like, I'm so weak. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another part of my back to school series. It's going to be a what's in my backpack. So today's video will include the school supplies that I had bought recently, which you can see in my school supplies haul. If you guys want to check that out, it will be in the links, first link in the description box below. And then also it will include school supplies that I had left over from last year that was not in that video, so you guys get like a little bonus look. And then also, last but not least, it would include my personal hygiene, like first aid, like emergency kit. I don't know what to call it, but you guys will see when I do the video. Yes, I do have two backpacks. They're both Fair Bradley. The first one I got, this is my most recent one. This was at a thrift store for $14.99. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Like, it's a beautiful color as well. And only reason I brought this one is because I think I'm going to use this one and not the other one, because this one just has more like compartments in general. But for this one, which again is already filled with my school supplies, it doesn't have all those compartments. So that's why I'm thinking about switching out. So that's why I'm showing you guys both. But this one was actually from the same thrift store, and this one was $9.99. And there's something wrong with this one. So I'm just going to show you guys what's in it. So in here, I just have these little pockets here, and then these little pockets which have nothing in them. But down here, I just have my mechanical pencils. These are just 10. I don't really like these ones, so these are going to be the ones, like, if my friends ask me if I have a pencil, these are going to be the ones that they get. Oh, and this pocket, actually, I didn't even know that this was in here when I bought it, so it was kind of like a little free thing. But I was watching Lexi V03's what's in my backpack video, and she had showed me these, and I was like, oh, I need those. And I was gonna go like buy some or whatever, and I didn't even need to because they came in the backpack for free. But they were basically these hole reinforcements. If you guys don't know what these are like, if you have any like paper that have holes in it and the holes rip, you just put these on there and it will keep it together and it won't rip. But yeah, these were in here for free, so like, thanks thrift store. To the main pocket, which has most of the crap in it. So first thing I see on top is just these index cards, 200. If you want to know where I got any of this stuff, go watch my back to school haul, and if it wasn't in there, I will tell you guys. And then next thing, actually we're going to put this down. Next thing, I have my pencil case, which was not in my back to school haul. See, like, this is why I really want to use this backpack, because I brought like a lot of the stuff to match my backpack. As you can see, all the blue and the blue, but I don't know. But this was from Walmart. This was like $3.94, which is a lot for a pencil case, but I needed one with like a lot of compartments, and this one fulfilled the needs. But it has this like cool little compass on it, which I don't even care for. Like, I don't know how to use it anyway, so it's just there. And then in the first compartment up here, I have some colorful pens. And I'm going to use these for my index cards. Like, index cards are going to be for notes, and I really like doing my notes in like colorful ink because it's like more fun and easier for me to remember and all that stuff. And then next I have these big highlighters, which I had left over from last year. I don't know where these were from, but hey, those are in there. I also had some crazy art color pencils left over from last year. I'm going to the 11th grade. I'm going to be a junior. I don't even know if I need color pencils. But last but not least, in this pocket, I just have some extra smooth crystal big pens. Obviously, I'm not bringing these all. I wanted to keep them all in their packaging for this video. I will be taking them out after this video. So, second compartment, we have my pencils that I will be using. And I try to color coordinate the color of the pencil with the cap eraser, but if I didn't have the color, then it just is what it is. Those are like my extra pencils if I lose my special pencil, which is this twist erase pencil. This is like fancier than those fancy pencils that no one buys, they just found on the ground, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, these are mine. And then I also have some extra lead in there that came with the pencil. I have some staples and a stapler, which is again blue, matches my backpack. Just have all these whiteout tools. I have 2 whiteout pens and 1 whiteout container. Yeah, again blue as well. I have these erasable pens that I had left over from last year. 2 Sharpies, just in case like I want to write my name on something. And these are the fine point ones, so yeah. I have a glue stick, which I had left over from last year. This is obviously from Target because it's the Up and Up brand. And then some scissors, which again is blue to match my backpack. And I got this from Walmart when I brought my pencil case. So next thing I see is just this black binder, which I had left over from last year, so you guys didn't see in that video. But I had it all packed and everything from last year, and I never even used it, so I'm planning on using it this year. But when you first open it, you have these ultra tabs, which you guys would have seen in my back to school supplies haul, so go check that out. I'll tell you what they're for and everything. So they're just in there. I have this graph paper for math class, because this year I have college math. I'm on 11th grade. I'm not going to college next year. I'm going to 12th grade. So why am I taking college math? I have these like laminated folder thing. What are they called? I don't even know, but we're gonna skip them. And then I have these folders. There's blue, green, black, yellow, and red. As you can see, they're stay up, please. But yeah, there's nothing in these folders. They're just empty. Like I said, I didn't use it last year. And then last but not least, which is in this binder, if you would cooperate, it's paper. It's just line paper. I don't have time. 3 subject notebooks, which I have from last year, and I didn't use it all, so can't waste paper. I also have this one, and these are only spiral notebooks that I have. Next, we are going to go into composition books. I have this cute one, and then these 2. Like, these school supplies don't match because I had to get, your girl had to get what she can get. I have my 2018 weekly planner. I'll just hit myself in the lip. And then now we're going to go into my personal hygiene bag or whatever. First thing first, I seen here is some girly products. If you don't know what these are, then you don't need to know what they are. I have a pack of tissues that I had from a long time ago. I don't know. But they're just Kleenex, and they have tissues on both sides. Because a lot of teachers complain about how they want tissues in the beginning of the year. Like, I don't need to hear that. Okay? I don't care. You ran out. Go buy some more. Penny liners, a tampon. This is great value then because we're cheap over here. Some band-aids because I don't got time to walk down to the nurse for a band-aid and she tell me that she's out, and I walked all the way out of there for nothing. So we have some big ones, some small ones, some medium ones. We don't discriminate over here. Oh, another tampon. I have some wet wipes. Why? I don't know. They're just in there. I'm extra, okay? I also have some of these, which are dental brushes. I got this one at the Dollar Tree, like, your girl. I didn't know they sell these. I just thought I had to get it from my dentist. But yeah, basically they're for if you have braces and when you eat and then you have like stuff stuck in your teeth, you just stick them in between your wire. You guys will see when I do my how I brush my braces or braces cleaning routine, whatever. I don't know what it's called, but and then last but not least, I just have some cotton swabs, which it's in a cute little Mickey Mouse tin, and I got this from like Dollar Tree like a long time ago. And yeah, so that's what's in my backpack. So, but that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Stay tuned for my back to school clothing haul because that will be right up after this video. Okay. Did I do it that time? Comment down below. Anyway, that's it.